hunger and the passion burning in me is real. I see you hiding and running, I'm coming for your team. Pluck 'em, pluck 'em, pluck 'em, pluck 'em, pluck 'em. I said a few
probably copyrights.
If I don't get you today, I'll get you another day. Crime's gonna pay, all this man's got away. I'm on the case. Set you up without a trace. Wipe your old squad out, take you by surprise. Eat you when you least expect it.
Okay. And the language, oh my, you can have it in a whiskey. Okay, English. Is it safe? Is it safe to have the music on? I don't know. But one thing I do know is that I forgot to put the chat on my thing right here. As you can see, it's invincible. It's invincible. Okay. So I need to connect. Yes. Let's just put the charger in and, you know, put the second screen on. And there you go, there's the chat. And let's just... Okay. Kill the bad guy. I've never played this game before, so... Oh. Get the bad guy, you can hear it in the background. Okay. Move the camera, yes. And camera zoom. Okay. All the dark items are interactive. Light backgrounds on items are. So sabotage the car. Select the car, drag the sabotage icon. Hold down the activation button to launch the car with moving the power. Okay. So, like this. Go! Hey! I got him! First try! I got the trophy, I don't think you can see it. I played on my main account. Sorry. So it says Strength instead of FridiNaTor. There's a lot of views. Oh my god. Okay, let's... Secondary objective. Catch the tooth. What? Find the passport. Golden star. Okay. Welcome to the stream. Let's see, what's the second objective here? What's the is this the second objective? I don't understand. Oh wait. Hey, I took something off. I think it was it. No, it was not. Huh? Hold on, hold on. I'll figure this out. So there's something under this car. Well then, that was not what I tried to do. What I tried to do is get them both to drive. Hold on, I have an idea. So he's going to stay there, right? I don't know what to catch. It says catch the tooth. Okay, let's just continue on. I don't know what that means. Second objective stuff. Kill the bad guy. Second objective. Kill him in 1 day. Catch the tooth. Find the passport. So you have more than 1 day. Oh, interesting. Interesting. To use the wrecking ball, to select the wrecking ball and yeah. What? Drag the ball into position. Drop the wrecking ball. Oh, okay. Interesting. What do I do then? Just press. Hey! I killed them in 1 day, like you said. Oh, I saw the tooth. Oh, that's the tooth it's talking about. Okay. Okay. Can I pause the game? Oh, okay, I can. Okay. Interesting. What's that? I can see a magazine. Can't I like rotate the camera? No. Okay. What? Click this button and then I can't. Oh, okay. I couldn't do anything for a second there. I did not understand why. Okay. There's nothing I can just. Oh. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay, let's just catch his tooth. Are you ready? Are you ready? And go. Hey, I got his tooth. I got your tooth, man. Oh my. His name was Jacob. Golden star, second objective. I think I know what the second objective could be. Let's see. I heard you could cut this off. What? No. No. And then day 2. Oh. Okay, that's that's horrible. Let's just continue on. Bernard. Select an objective. Move the objective to one of the target triangles. Move the camera on the nearest object. Move the camera on the nearest object at given direction. Association. Some items can be associated with others. You simply have to move the first item onto the second on the green triangle. Okay. Wait, hold on. And then oh, I see. But how do I pick the other item up? I can see it. That right there, the rope. Combine it. How do I combine it? Oh, like that. Okay. This is taking way too long. can move that. Interesting. Move to there. Yes. Are you ready? Are you ready? He's going to fall on his head. Hello! Oh my. Oh, I didn't get his tooth. No! Whatever. Kin.com. That's what it said, right? Each level has different secondary objective. Your first job will be to guess what the secondary objective is. Yes, thank you. I will greatly want to know what that is. Kill him in one day is often easier to take your time, sabotaging and moving out, then wait for the following day to kill the bad guy. If you manage to do it all in one day, you will be really impressed. Tooth. Try to bring one of the bad guy's teeth back as proof of the assassination. Passport. The bad guy's fake passport is hidden somewhere in the level. Find it and we'll send it anonymously to the cops so they too can investigate and make the connection with the bad guy's real identity. Unlock the 5 stars all at once. Okay. Let's just look around first. I found his passport. So now I found his passport. What can I do with these? I can cut them up. But what would that even do? Ooh, okay, I see. No! Oh. And then, boom. That's cheating, I couldn't catch his tooth. Wow. I cry. Let's try that one more time. Okay, he's getting close. And then turn it off. Oh wait. No! Ah! Okay, now I'm mad. Okay, whatever, let's continue on. Virus controller reminder. Yeah, and yeah. Okay. Whoa! There's more stuff in here. I love how the pause button keeps on jumping every time you're close to something you can interact with. I can't find his passport anywhere. Huh. Interesting. So... Oh... I see. Well now. Huh. let's just begin over. I see. Oh. That doesn't make any sense. How does this tooth fall out of... Because of that. What? Like right? Okay, let's look around this map. Ooh. Okay. Some interesting stuff. Found this passport. Huh. Can we do anything with these? No. Okay. But I'm pretty sure I know what to do. Hello, second reviewer. Okay, are you guys ready? Oopsie doopsie. Oh no! I'm stupid. I need to make this ready first. Okay, then this one ready. And of course, I forgot about the passport already. It's here. Thank you. The bad guy. Walk faster! I don't have okay. And then we turn it on. Yes! Yes! Woohoo! Woohoo! I forgot about this too. Whatever. And Andrei is from Moscow. Okay. Let's just pause and look around the map for a bit. What? Ooh. I found this passport already. So here's a piano. There are a lot of ropes. There's a box. And ropes, of course. And more ropes. And a dead dog. Well, interesting. Hello, viewer. To kill the bad guy this time, we'll have to do some funny stuff, right? Okay, there's nowhere I can put this. What? This game doesn't allow me to put this anywhere. What? Oh. Oh. No. Oh. Oh my. I see. Okay. No! This dead dog. What can we use this for? It was a waste of time. Okay, so I know what to do now. Oh yeah. Oh no, his tooth. Yes, it's mine. Oh, and this passport. Yes. Woo! Woo! Wasn't he already lying down when you saw that clip? Yes, look. It's fucked. Okay, let's go to the next one. And his name is Muriel. And his location is in Los Angeles. Secondary objective. Green bread. Temporary art in all its splendor. I still don't get the secondary objectives. I don't know how to do them. So where is his passport? His passport. It's probably under the car. Would my guess be? Ahaha! I was correct. Okay, what now? We got this row and a tree. Oh. What? 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 What's that supposed to do? What does it say like this? What? I don't understand that one. Oh, it's a bear trap! I didn't notice that. Where did the tooth go? There was no tooth this time. Okay. So it was a bear trap. I didn't notice that. Could you send a sample of the bad guy's blood to the cops? Sure. Oh, the coppers are here. Okay. And his passport is probably under this car. No, it was not. Ha! I'm disappointed. These boots. Oh my! No! I need to restart this. Okay. What is that? Oh, it's just. Ooh, it's a harpoon that they should throw. Oh! Oh, I see how it's done. I see how it's done. What's in that book for you? Oh, the tooth! Where is his passport? I never saw it. Oh my. Or perhaps a police car has the passport. Whatever. Okay, let's look at this map for a bit. Is there any passports that I can get my eyes onto? I can't see any passports. Okay, so we got a lot of cars here, a lot of ramps, boxes, roads. Huh. And a lot of guys. Oh. We can move the cars. No, we can move these, but... Oh, I see, okay. Let's just restart this level. There you go, and let's move this one around and drive. Nah. Okay, so this is in the way, apparently, and we can't move it. But if I move this one somewhere else, does it go that way? Let's see, where does it go now? Oh, it just wanders off. Okay. Then that's useless. So, let's put it. No, 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 no. Here. And there you go. Huh. Wait, what? Now? This guy frustrates me. Let's just do it the old-fashioned way, shall we? Oh wait, what? Oh, I can put this thing down. Oh yes. Okay, okay. Make the car ready. And drive. No. Hey, DJ. You're the man. Thank you for this subscription. For subscribing. I subscribe to you too. The tutorial on how to keep PlayStation VR safe from animals. Awesome video, dude. So put it on this. Okay. Oh no, I think I failed. Drive. Hi. Oh, barely made it. Wow, a lot of new viewers right now. Thank you all. I'm just trying to see if I can actually make this in one day. I don't think so, but... Okay, hold on. It's going way too far. That's a problem. I know. Okay. This is genius. Okay. Okay, there you go. The rope. This thing. No! The rope. There. Okay. Let's see. Will this work? Ah! So close. Ooh. Since it wanders off that far. Let's restart so he doesn't get scared. Okay. Great. Okay, now this thing up. Here. Yes. Car on. And drive. In one day! Seriously, good. Woohoo! That's how it's done. Did it all in one day. Beat that. I only had to find the passport, I didn't find it anymore. So yeah, I could get into the golden star. What's this? Oh, okay. I don't like this guy's face. Make sure you hide it well. Oh, what do you want me to do? Explode his head? Oh, there are cameras here. Ha. Interesting. So I will guess when the camera sees me dying, I lose. Because he wants me to hide his head very well. You can drive slower. Oh, I found his passport. I don't know how far he's going to drive off. It's probably just a tutorial to show what the camera can do, and I'm pretty sure that's what the camera does. If not, we're going to find out later. Shouldn't hurt. Where's he going? Oh, okay. On the... Yes, that side of the road. Or the... I can't talk English. I can't. Oh no! Oh, the filth. Yes! I caught it. I caught the two. I killed Kevin. Hey! I got everything. Killed the bad guy. Fancy game of basketball. Okay. Let's see if there's anything related to basketball in this. Ooh, this passport. Okay, there's fire, there's cameras. There's gasoline. Ah. Why can't we use the gasoline on? Ooh. Okay, okay. Interesting. There's a guard there. I'm not sure where it's going to walk. Somewhere here. Let's find out before we do anything. Up, up, go up. That's not what this does. Okay. There's no naval battles. Interesting. I'll watch that later. Oh. I almost did it, like, I almost finished the second objective as well. Okay, so I had to move it to the side a bit. Let's try that again, just to get him inside there. Not in a sexual way. There you go. I'm ready. This is going to be perfect. He's like, interesting. What's here? This. No. What? It didn't fall in. It didn't count. No. No. I do not agree with that one. I don't want to agree with that. I want him to fall off. Okay. Oh, now he suspects something. And you know what? I'll do that later. I don't want to do that now. It takes too long. So let's just continue on to the next level. This guy's name is like a hacker's name. What the heck? What's that? A dynamite? It is a dynamite. Why? Oh, the tooth. Yes, it's mine. All mine. None of the people saw him. That was perfect. Look at this. That was great timing. Wow. Kill the bad guy. Forewarned is forearmed. Do you want to earn yourself a bonus? Perhaps. Ooh. Hey. see his passport. Okay. So, to get the passport, I need to... Oh. Of course. There you go, I got the passport. Deal with it. No! Okay. So, I know what to do here. What? Oh, it sees me placing it. Right? Okay, yes, it was what he saw. Okay, okay. Voila! Wait, what? Oh, he saw it. Mission failed. Huh. Okay, okay. I see how it is. I see. Yeah, I broke both. Yes, got everything. Woohoo! Albert Fish instead of Albert Einstein. Brooklyn is where he's in. Is Brooklyn. The bad guy has always lived in shadow back streets. Treat him to some wide open space. Huh. Okay. Got this passport. So here's a car. Here's stuff. Here's long trees. Oh, I know how to do this. There's a lot of cameras. So... Oh, no, there's a camera right there. How am I going to do this? Oh, it's not going to work. This one may work. Okay, okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh no, the camera's on. Mission failed. Oh. Oh no! The trees are dead. Oh. His reaction was, oh. Ah, okay, interesting. But does it go up? Up, up, please, up. Yes. Yes. Okay, I'm being too creepy. And it's tooth. Yes. Bullshit. Or I don't know how to say that. And that was everything in one. Jackie! And his location is Marciana. Kill the bad guy. That one deserved the electric chair for sleeping with my mom. What? What? Okay. Interesting. Wait, I need to find his passport. Where could it be? Is it over here? Or is it over here? I can't see his passport. Oh, I'm getting tired already. What? Okay, interesting. I didn't know you could do that. Was that his passport? I didn't see it. He almost got dropped. What? Hold on. I know what to do here. I think that is. Oh wait, yes, the passport and then bam. And then this. Okay. There's only one. Oh. No. You're not going anywhere, son. What? What? It just got thrown over. What the heck? Oh. Where are you planning to go now? Okay. Wait, does that mean I can mess up a cop's car? If so, I want to try to do that. See what's going to happen. Almost not on time. What? 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 So, what? So that doesn't work apparently. Yes! Yes! I got everything. Because I gave him the electric chair. I don't know. How many bad guys are there? Isn't this number 17 or something? Don't know where the passport is. Under one of these cars. I just know it. I think I know what car it's under now. It's under this car right here. Ah, okay, I see, it's a puzzle. No! Ah! I wasn't on time. I couldn't do it all in one day, but whatever. I was able to still do it. Yes, I got the tooth. I got my popcorn dispenser. How long have I been streaming now? Hold on, I need to check something. I need to check the time. How long have I been streaming already? It feels so long. YouTube, of course. It's YouTube Gaming. YouTube Gaming is for the best people. So I go on to FridiNaTor, and here I am live. Click. I'm not watching live. Okay. Oh my, almost an hour. Okay, I'll do this one, and then I'll need to stop. I can't stream all the time. Okay, where's the harpoons? What's this? What? I'm not completely sure what that's supposed to do. What? I'll be able to kill him with a vehicle?
Oh.
What? What? Nothing really happened. What? Huh? Huh? I'm not understanding this. What? Well, am I not able to kill him with a vehicle? Is that what we're getting at here? This song though. Okay, I think I have an idea. What? I got this passport somehow. Wait. What the? I still don't understand. Wait. Is there more rope? Is there more rope? Oh, there is more rope. Okay. But it's not like it's usable in any way. Oh, I understand what I'm supposed to do here. Because he stops and I hit him with the vehicle, right? Like that.
Oh.
What? No! This is not going as planned. Come on, come on. I can do this. Come on, come on. No, okay. I'll leave the stuff for today. Oh my, there was just... Oh my, there's sick... What? How can there be that many bad guys? I love this song, it's probably a copyright somehow, but who cares, right? Well, get the bad guy. Okay, see you all in the next stream or the next video or whatever it's going to be. Goodbye.